Press bottom right, that blue button. Yeah? Bottom right. And then press restart. There you go.
Bote, kumananga is Noëlla.
Kombonanga is Merveille.
And today we'll be basically playing a game where we are given names of type of food that we eat in our culture, and we have to respond to it in Lingala, or we have to give the name of it in Lingala.
Food?
Food. Nourriture.
Ah bon.
Biloko kolia. Biloko kolia.
Nazala.
Nazala nzala mingi, eh? To banda. Soso.
Mais bon, il faut donner une seconde.
Non, soso. Chicken deli soso.
Ah, bah chenille, non? Coccinelle.
Ah, Dembele. Dembele?
Biso.
Dembele.
Biso.
Dembele.
C'est biso, non? Biso. Biso. Avec un M. Binzo. Ah.
Binzo. All right, you good. You got this one, but we good. Il faut se calmer un peu, ok? Se calmer juste un peu. Kamundele. Are you wow? Are you wow?
I know that one.
Because what's the Kamundele? Just know.
Humilité.
Makimba!
No! I clicked the word.
You took a long time to say.
Makimba, allez, quitte ici. Bon, Makimba, every man see me. Come on. Bon, move on, c'est 2-2, hein? Pondu. That's the one I know.
Madesu! Sorry, Madesu.
No, she can't do that.
Lelo na liye Madesu.
Is it Madesu beans? No.
She said beans.
Elle a dit arachide. Oh, papa m'a toujours ça.
Ngumba.
Mais attends une seconde, je vais
No, 10 seconds. You took too long. Ngumba. Lelo na liye Ngumba. Ngumba zali arachide. Peanuts.
I don't know. Non mais papa il mange toujours les arachides. C'est pas Goomba, c'est pas. I've never heard a man say Goomba in my life. Ah, bazaï.
Mafuta.
Margarine.
Mafuta.
Bleu blanc.
Lelo na liye mafuta.
Bleu blanc, Colgate. Yeah, no, in terms of my experience, I've got a lot to learn. There's beginner and then there's me. So I got a long way before I know how to say hello. And that's why this class is helping, for sure.
For me, not unlike him, I would consider myself high intermediate.
Humilité, on vient de dire ça.
Because you guys saw what happened, right? But overall, it has been a very good process learning and as well teaching the language. I highly recommend every single one of you guys to go ahead and subscribe and to follow Yekola Lingala on all your socials. And again, come Yekola with us.
Yekola.
Ai!